Hey, so my sister suggested that I do a quick little video about how to clean the top of these Plaxis bottles. It's a wonderful bottle, and it does get a little bit grungy sometimes right here at the top, especially if you are consistent with your use because, don't forget, Plexus is all about consistency. So this is the way you clean it. First, this is a gasket. This round part in the inside is a gasket. So periodically you'll want to pull it out. I use this little tool, but you can use a fork or anything really. Get the gasket out and then just clean it. It depends on how dirty it is, but rinse it off if it's not that dirty, or use some dishwashing soap to clean it off, and then let it dry or dry it off, and then you're good to go. It goes in very nicely when it's dried. Sometimes I'll use a rag or something to get in really deep and clean it, but I usually try to keep it clean so that I don't have to do it that much. But can you see? Then you just pop the gasket back in and you're ready to go. I keep this in the refrigerator so it's always very cold, and then just add my Plexus Slim or my Plexus Active. So hope that helps. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.